Does Creative Floors offer interior design help? We certainly do. Our sales consultants are very knowledgeable on helping you design for your particular, whether it's a bathroom, a backsplash. A lot of people don't realize we do bathroom remodels, but we do them all day long. And there's a lot of little intricacies of a bathroom: shower floor tile, bathroom floor tile, wall tile accents. Are you putting a niche in? These are all questions that we'll be asking you along the way to help you design a beautiful space in your home. So don't be shy. Our consultants are here to help you design, create the most beautiful background for your home and make it stylish and impressive that all your friends will envy.